Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Guru channel. Next question I am going to explain directly in this note. If the length of a diagonal of rhombus whose area is 216 square centimeter is 24 centimeter, then find the length of second diagonal. We can find out the length of the second diagonal. Length of first diagonal 24 centimeter. We need to find out the length of the second diagonal, and area of that rhombus is given. Okay, so area is equal to, you have to write the value half into d1 into d2. Area is 216, so half into d1 is 24, d2 as it is write down is equal to area of rhombus. Now you can do the cancellation. 2 1s are 2, 12s are 24. Now d1 12 into d2 is equal to 216. Now d2 transpose of multiplication, division. If you do the division, you will get 18 centimeters. Next question. The floor of a building consists of 3000 tiles which are rhombus shaped. The diagonal each of the tiles are 45 centimeter and 30 centimeter. Find the total cost of polishing the floor if the cost per square meter is 2.50 rupee. See, diagonal of each shape tile. Okay. Now d1 is equal to 45, d2 is equal to 30 centimeters. Total tiles are 3000. Now you should find the total area of that floor. How you can get total number of tiles into area of each tile you can. Okay, so total that 3000 into area of each tile means each which is rhombus shape, no? So area of rhombus formula we should write. So 3000 into half into this values we have to substitute. After that you can do the multiplication. Okay, here you can first do the cancellation. 2 1s are 2, 15s are 30. Now 3000 into 45 into 15, if you do means you will get the answer this one. And here centimeter square is there, no? That centimeter square you can convert into meter square. Then 1 centimeter is 1 centimeter value 1 centimeter value we know 1 by 100 meters. So now centimeter square value means 1 by 100 into 1 by 100 we can take meter square. Okay, so here only 1 by 100 into 100 they took meter square. Now 3 zeros you can do the cancellation. Okay, now 2025 is there, now divided by 10 is there. Again that 10 you can take the decimal point. So one digit after we can take the decimal point. Means that total area 202.5 meters square. Okay, the cost of polishing the floor at the rate of this 2.50 per square meter, then you can multiply with the total area, that amount. Okay, so you will get the rupees 506.25 rupees you will get. Okay, I hope you understood. Thank you.